When doing plumbing jobs, working around in and around walls and stuff, and trying to use a torch to open up some pipes or something, having a small propane tank is the way to go. And you can buy small ones, but I wanted to get something refillable, so I went with this set of 2 of these 3.85, so just under 4-ounce refillable propane cylinders. They come with the wrench right away. It's pretty clever how they have it behind the label here. And then this is the same opening as you'd expect to find on any of the standard like 1 pound or like this 14-ounce propane can. So this is going to refill with the Flame King kit, and I've got some other kits that'll work with this as well. It's got the place up here to bleed, and then it's got the valve that's made for refilling. That's why I bought this set of 2. These little less than 4-ounce propane cylinders. Hope this helps.